Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Nice dance this morning. Absolutely chucking it down as soon as we finished.
Did you all dry off?
They didn't need to get dry, did they? Because it wasn't raining when we did the thing.
No, getting home. It was absolutely lashing down, wasn't it?
Absolutely
If you'd walked home from Dancin Tots, well, you could have swum home.
You could have swam home. So seeing as it rained so badly, we're going to do a story about Smiley Shark tonight. Smiley Shark and the great big Hiccup. There's a lot of hiccups. There's a lot of hiccups. There's a lot of hiccups. So, good evening. Oh, I know that. That's Lincoln, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is.
Lincoln. Hello, Lincoln.
Not in the bath?
Are you in the bath? You in the bath, Link? You in the bath?
You ought to read from the bath, I think, one night. Not in your pyjamas, not with the water in.
Yeah, right.
Oh, we're hoping to come to a session. When are you going to come? Next week. Oh, we'll look out for you. We'd love to see you.
That'll be lovely. We're going to start doing 2, 9:30 and 10:30 now. Because today we thought, there won't be many people there. The weather, look, it's atrocious. But you're all as mad as us lot. So yeah, it's 9:30 and 10:30 from tomorrow actually, unless the weather does look pretty bad.
Unless we are swimming at Pomfrey.
There's no way we could do it in the absolute pouring rain because the speaker would blow up. Yeah, probably.
But what a way to go!
What a way to go! How did you see them? Boom! Anyway, calm down. This is the bedtime story.
Right, I've got your Ted. I don't even know where Red Ted is. We're settled.
No idea. We're settled. We're settled. Right, turn the music down. Music down. Right, are you ready for a lovely story? You lovely story. Smiley Shark and the great big Hiccup. Smiley Shark, there he is. Smiley Shark and the great big Hiccup. So, sitting comfortably. Then I will begin. Far away in the rolling deep ocean, the fish were all in a frenzy. Smiley Shark had disappeared. Woohoo! Smiley Shark, where are you? Called Angel Fish.
Sorry, got a tickle.
It was all that rain today. The friends searched in the swirling seaweed and around the colourful coral. But they couldn't find him anywhere.
Oh, where's he gone then?
They're looking for Smiley Shark. I wonder where Smiley Shark is. At last, Octopus spotted him. But poor Smiley Shark had lost his smile.
Oh, no.
Yeah. What's wrong, Smiley Shark? Said Starfish. But he's lost his smile. I made a bit of a faux pas, didn't I, last time we read a book that had fish in it? The octopus, remember? With his tentacles.
Yes, I remember.
I can't get rid of these annoying hiccups, smiled Smiley Shark. No, Smiley Shark grumbled. He didn't smile. Can't get rid of me hiccups. I know what to do, cried Angelfish. When I have hiccups, I swim as fast as I can. That always makes them go away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Does that work for you? When you go
well, we'll see. Yes, it does. Whee! There goes Smiley Shark. With a swoosh and a whoosh, Smiley Shark and Angelfish whizzed off as fast as they could swim. But it didn't work.
Oh.
Oh, please, Starfish. Can you help me? Said Smiley Shark. Of course, smiled Starfish. When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels. That always makes them go away.
Oh, can they do cartwheels?
Yeah, well, it looks like it. With a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and twirled across the sand. Look, there he is, Smiley Shark on the beach now, twisting and twirling.
Cartwheels.
Lovely job. Woo! But it didn't work.
Oh.
Smiley Shark was feeling very dizzy, and he still had hiccups.
No good.
I have an idea, said Octopus, the one with the tentacles. He slowly reached out. He slowly reached out with his twisty, tickly tentacles and tickled Smiley Shark on the tummy. There he goes. His tentacles tickling the tummy. Tongue twister. Smiley Shark wriggled and giggled and jumped and jiggled, but it still didn't stop his hiccups. I know just what will work, cried Pufferfish. When I have hiccups, I hold my breath as long as I can, and that always makes them go away. He took 3 big gulps of water and counted 1, 2, 3. There we go. There's the pufferfish. Holding his breath. Is this going to work for Smiley Shark? Hooray! My hiccups have gone, grinned Smiley Shark. Thank you so much, Puffer. Oh, no. Smiley Shark's hiccups were back. And they were worse than ever. His tummy jumped and bumped and span and twirled. Oh, no, look at this.
Here they come.
Hiccup, hiccup. Poor old Smiley Shark. He's doing all right. Poor Smiley Shark was getting very grumpy and grumbly. I'll never get rid of these annoying hiccups, he wailed. We need a better plan, Starfish suggested. The friends huddled together and whispered. Then Angelfish said with a smile, why don't you swim to the back of the big coral cave? You'll definitely find a cure for hiccups there. Really? Cried Smiley Shark. Determined to try, he swam off, still hiccuping gently. Look, he's going into the dark cave. Let's see if this works. Inside the cave, it was dark and rather lonely. Bravely, Smiley Shark waited. And waited. And waited. Boo! Oh, look, here he comes. They all jumped out with him at the back of the car. Oh, dearie me. So you on the stairs to me, innit? Ah! Said Smiley Shark. Oh, they didn't half give him a shock. But did it work? The scary surprise chased Smiley Shark's hiccups away. Hooray! He cheered. Now we can all play together. Thank you, everyone. Oh. Said Pufferfish.
Oh dear.
Pufferfish has got them now. Oh, never mind.
He's passed on his hiccups.
He's passed on the hiccups to Pufferfish. Right, there we go.
I bet Pufferfish is quite worried now because he knows at some point they're all going to sneak out on him as well.
Yes, absolutely.
And get rid of his hiccups.
Hey, that's a good idea, isn't it? That's a good idea. Right, okay then, there you go. That was Smiley Shark and his great big hiccups. We'll have another story next Tuesday. And don't forget, and I'll put a post up as well. So next Tuesday we'll do the birthdays because we do the birthdays when we do the outdoor sessions, but you might not be able to get to them. You might want us to say hello to you and sing happy birthday to you on here. So we'll do that on Tuesday as well. Right, what's something to say? We missed the start and Tom's unhappy, so we'll watch it back later.
Not a problem.
Yeah, you can watch it all back later.
Yeah.
In fact, you did watch it back later, didn't you? Right, okay. Did you enjoy the start this time, Tom? Yeah, you're thinking, hold on, I don't get that. Wait until you watch it back, yeah? Better than a Chris Nolan movie. Right, okay then. So, That's about it. Is there anything else we've got to say?
I don't think so. If you want to join us tomorrow, we're going to start at 9:30. Unless it's completely flooded at Pomfrey, we're going to be there at 9:30.
We are a bit worried about that.
And then we're going to be there again at 10:30.
Yes, we are.
So if you want to join us, maybe a puddle suit, some Wellingtons, an umbrella.
It's supposed to be stormy. So you might need your rainproofs and your waterproofs or whatever they're called.
And your armbands.
Your armbands,
rubber ring,
and your rubber ring.
And a life jacket.
Yes,
and we'll be there.
Yeah, absolutely. Right, okay.
Nighty-night, folks.
Yeah,
we're going to pop
down.
a little bit of music on.
Down,
just to get you nicely cozied up. I tell you what, I was glad to get in my PJs this afternoon after all that
so was
rain
I,
and everything. We'll see you tomorrow.
Embarrassed, didn't I? I embarrassed myself. Bye.
Bye.